A fundamental shift is underway from a build-to-consume model for IT workloads. By 2018, 58% of all the IT workloads will be consumed as a service. Traditional IT departments design, maintain, and support their organization's information technology infrastructure. However, cloud services have begun to challenge this traditional approach and forced internal IT departments to compete with alternative cloud-based solutions. Today, the IT department assumes the role of a trusted service broker who aligns the organization IT governance, sourcing strategy, and its BPM competencies to deliver IT as a service. The concept of Itaas is simple. Offer your clients the power of choice, allow them to pay only for what they use, and deliver it as fast as possible. Enterprises need an agile, secure, and cost-efficient solution to make a move to Itaas. So is your organization ready for Itaas? The Hexaware Itaas Service Catalog is a listing of services to help you drive the cloud service provisioning process. The Service Catalog enables IT to define the area of configuration and choice that users can select as per their role. Each service offering has attributes that IT defines, including who can see and select this service, what service levels or constraints are essential to this service, and what the internal costs are. At Hexaware, we have identified more than 200 use cases and created scripts where these use cases can be automated to the needs of the specific user group across various platforms, like AWS, Azure, VMware, etc. We also create customized use cases identified together with the customer. Hexaware's Itaas Service Catalog has 3 distinct advantages: scalability, agility, and cost efficiency. As a part of our Itaas blueprint, we also provide